Yeah, Sydney and Clara, tomorrow night will be going below freezing, but it could feel like below freezing as early as tonight. Let's check highs today. We got to 55 degrees in McAllen, 52 in Weslaco, 50 even in Harlingen, 54 in Brownsville, and South Padre Island as well as Port Isabel. So overall, it was relatively much warmer than it was in the previous couple of days, but we have cooled back down into the 30s already in Raymondville, 41 in Harlingen, 42 in Weslaco, 41 also in Edinburgh, and there's also a little bit of fog and mist showing up sort of like it did last night. About this time, too. Winds have calmed down just a touch from when we spoke with you at 6:30. We're looking at about 5 to 15 mile per hour winds out of the north and northeast. Still creating a wind chill factor, though. It feels like close to freezing in Harlingen. 38 degrees is what it feels like there in Raymondville. Rest of the night tonight, we're cooling down to 36 degrees. The sky stays overcast. The weather stays cold. And so wind chills will likely dip below freezing as we get toward daybreak tomorrow, where we'll be greeted with more 30s. Now, the good news is that air temperature should be above freezing, between about 35 and 40 degrees on average. The main threat for freezing temperatures tonight is just to the north of the RGV. Kennedy, Brooks, and Jim Hogg counties are in a freeze warning that goes until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. 45 degrees, your forecast tomorrow. I've lowered that because I expect the cloud cover, the strong northerly winds, just to really keep us from getting close to 50 tomorrow. So cloudy, chilly, and breezy weather once again highlights your forecast. And then getting into Friday morning, temperatures are likely to dip into the 20s. We're looking at about 25 to 30 degrees for your average morning low getting into Friday morning. Now let's talk wind chill for both days, because again, it could wake up, or you could wake up in the morning feeling like the upper 20s. We'll catch a small break during the day, and then some lingering wind tomorrow night into Friday makes the 25 to 30 degree air temperature feel like 20 to 25 with the wind chills. So once again, it may be sort of a brutal start to the day on Friday. This is all due to colder air once again pulling in on the backside of a low pressure system that's bringing another winter storm to the mid-south region. You can see a strong cold front has obviously cleared the valley, and we are on the colder side of that system, and that's what we're kind of watching for in the near term, is just the colder air. We have no precipitation expected with this cold front, so that's some fantastic news. We're not looking at any ice or snow this time around, just the cold in the next couple of days. Now, the wintry part of the system is just north of us. You can see that freezing rain and parts of South Texas could see a little bit more in the way of snowfall, but that will be pushed out of here by higher pressure developing into the north, and that's going to bring us that colder spell Friday morning, and then we're shaping up really nicely for the weekend. Having said that, Saturday morning we will have one last chilly start to the day in the 30s, but we'll rebound 30 degrees and top out in the 60s, around 67. We'll be in the 70s on Sunday, and into next week we'll stay near 70 degrees with a 20% chance of a passing shower.